Got the Mojave 4S out today again, and we're going to test it on a slightly different surface. And we've also got the ramp out today. Also quite interested in seeing how the dust guards I put into the body of the Mojave perform. So yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, it's a great surface for the Mojave. Yeah, do you want to see a big jump? Oh, good jump, good. That's easier. Oh, well done. You don't need... ramp. Okay, so I just hit LVC, and this is how much dirt I've got in the chassis. Not much, so the dust protectors have really done their job. Great product, and highly recommend this mod for your Mojave 4S. So later that evening, just as I was about to swap the pinion back down to a 16 tooth, I noticed some damage from the jumps. One of the body posts had completely snapped off where it connects to the shock tower, and the other side was partially cracked. I managed to remove the broken post on the cracked side, but the fully snapped piece was stuck inside, and to get it out I had to thread a screw into the plastic and pull it out with pliers. So it looks like this might be a bit of a weak spot on the Mojave 4S. Let me know if this has happened to any of you guys, and if so, did you find any better fixes or reinforcements to stop it happening again? Drop your tips in the comments, would love to hear what's worked for you. And also, thanks so much for watching. I'm really enjoying sharing my RC experiences with you guys, and your feedback and support seriously motivates me to keep posting. So if you're liking the content, a sub and some engagement on the channel would be awesome. It really helps my small and new channel to grow.